Guys, welcome to an R1 video. Today we are on something a little bit different. We are test riding a 2025 MT09 SP. This is the SP model. It's got 5Ks on it, 6Ks now. So cool. Super techy. I'm not used to having as much tech. Obviously, as you guys would know, the R1 doesn't have really any tech at all. It's just sort of me and the bike. But this has like all the different street modes, sport mode, custom modes, and rain, and all that sort of stuff. Self-canceling indicators. The front looks cool. I don't know. We'll get a walk around a little later on, and you let me know what you guys think. These tires are brand new, so I'm taking it a little easy. How does the even with the stock exhaust, I don't hate the sound of it. Like, it sounds not terrible. That clutch, like, seriously needs to come in. It's so far out. Maybe that's just for me though. Cool. I'm seriously tempted. Like, I don't think I'm really in the market for a new one, but this is cool. I really like this. It's not too tall. I'm 5'9" and I'm like flat on my right foot, not flat on my left. I'm like tippy-toed on my left foot. But it's cool. I'm liking it so far. That quick shifter is so smooth, man. It's crazy. Feels a lot more restrictive than the R1. Obviously it's not as like big a displacement as the R1, but like normally on the R1, like when I'm higher up in the rev range, like when I'm about here, the R1 is happy for more revs, whereas this, it doesn't super feel like it wants to give up, but it doesn't feel like it's got much more. That's cool, it's so nice, so smooth, man. Let's have a look at it. Pull in here. Quick shifter, up and down. Please don't fall. I like it. It looks cool. The pipe doesn't sound too bad for a stock pipe too. The one thing I think, I can't remember when the change was made, I think it was around this generation or the generation before, they went from a single seat to like the dual seats. I think it looks heaps cooler. I like this front end. This front end I think looks a lot nicer. I think the blue wheels with the gold forks looks awesome. It's a really cool bike. I'm really liking it. I think I'm used to the R1's clutch being so grabby that I'm like expecting it to take off heaps earlier than it is. That is cool. I like that it's got a proximity key. I think that's pretty cool. Quick shifter is so nice. One thing that I didn't expect to like as much as I am is being back in that upright, like naked bike position. Maybe it's because I'm giving it a little bit of revs when I'm blipping the throttle when I'm trying to go down. That's what's causing it to like be jerky, because I find if I don't let it off, it's fine. And the quick shifter is just so smooth. It feels like you're not even. Yeah, see, I'm not letting off the throttle when it's heaps smoother than when I was like blipping the throttle a bit. I'm guessing that's part of the thing, like that you don't let off the throttle. I don't know, maybe that's just me. See, that's so nice. Oh man, this is so cool. I wonder what the differences are. I should have gone that way. Why didn't I go that way? I wonder what the differences are, like, between the SP model, which is what I'm riding. So, okay. It does have cruise control. I wish I could have tried that. I should have tried that on that long road. I've always wanted a bike with cruise control. Look man, no hands. I think that's super cool. Like, that's a super cool feature. Like, I don't even go on long rides, but it's just a cool to have, not a need to have. Really like it. What do you guys think? If you're watching and you have an MT09, if you've come from like an R1 or something like that, like a big leader bike, like I know these are like 850s or an 899 or something, 890 something, depending on like the generation. What did you think? Like, how was it coming from such a big bike to I mean, it's still a big bike, but not as big. I really like it. I love the look. The look is so cool. It's so aggressive. It's a real aggressive look. Brakes are nice. Brembo's up front and I believe at the back too. It's really tall. Like, I'm seated on it nicely. Like, I'm not uncomfortable, but like this part of the tank is really tall. Clutch feels nice. It just needs to be closer, which obviously it's not hard to fix, not hard to change, I should say. What I do need to do. Put it, I don't know if they care if I put it in a sport mode or not, but I'm going to put it back into street mode, which is what they had it in. For the longest time I hated triples. I really didn't like the sound of them. This is different. This is cool. Really liking this. I like how smooth it is. Cruise control is the best thing ever. Probably makes people behind you be like, what the hell is this guy doing? But hope you guys did enjoy this one. Shout out to Triple Luz for letting me take this for a test ride. It feels a bit clunky when you do it like that, man. Love you guys. Take it easy. Bye. Back on the R1. What do you guys think? It's a lot of fun. Way more fun than I was expecting it to be. if I have to be in the other lane and turn around. Because sometimes these things will loop. I guess I'll find out in a sec. Feels heaps different coming from the MT to the back onto the R1. You can see I've barely even let the clutch out and it's already taken off. I am in A mode. I don't know how much of a difference that plays, but I was in sport mode on the MT. I don't know how tuned it is to do stuff. But there's also like a 100, I think the new MTs are at 899